Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and my husband and I are pretty new to this house. And one of the first things that we noticed about it is that it has a huge living room. I mean, this room is so big that it can feel kind of empty and barren. So I quickly knew that I had to get an area rug pronto. And I am super glad that I settled on this Ruggable rug called Sarrah in the hazel color. Okay, so confession time. This is my first area rug ever. I have never wanted to buy one in the past because I've always been scared of the high maintenance and spilling things on it and not being able to clean it properly. The major selling point to me about this rug is that it's able to be thrown in the washer. Besides this major plus point for me, the rug is absolutely gorgeous and it was super quick to set up. My rug is 8 by 10, so the backer that came with my rug came in 2 pieces. It's a textured backer that keeps the rug topper firmly in place, and it also has Velcro squares on the corners so that the corners aren't always flipping up. I am totally in love with the colors and the vintage style of this rug. We're planning on having a fair-sized gathering of people here next week, and I am not worried about any spills because I can just throw it in the washer. I am absolutely thrilled about the easy maintenance of this rug, and I also am totally digging the fact that it has completely changed the look of my living room and made it so much more homey. And that's my point of view.